Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Bornita Khan. Good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing great. Now I am share with you uh, a city I visited. Uh, Actually, I visited many city in Bangladesh, and recently I have visited Joshore city. Joshore is a charming city southwest of Bangladesh, one of the oldest city in our country, and it rich in history, culture and nature. Many people call Joshore the gateway to the Sundarban, which is the biggest mangrove forest. When I say about history, actually Michael Madhusudan Dotto, a famous Bengali poet, birthplace of Joshore, Monihar, which is the biggest cinema hall in our country, and there are old ruins, mosque, temples in the city that shows actually historical importance. When I say about transport facility, there are an airport and railway station also. Many people easily move to other city. The city is full of green and fields, trees, and rivers. Bhairav River flows beside the Joshore city. Agriculture, actually Joshore, known for its farming, many types of fruits produces like mango, jackfruits, and date. A famous patali gur of Joshore is loved by people all over Bangladesh. When I say about education system, Joshore is also famous for education system because there are many good schools, colleges, and universities. Like Joshore University is social science and technology. Lastly, I would like to say, if you visit any city, you try to visit Joshore city. Thank you very much. See you again. Until then, Allah Hafiz.